what's up, YouTubers? Welcome to Drummer101.com's YouTube channel. I'm Kevin Prince with you as always. And in this lesson, I'm going to show you a more advanced drum fill that's made up of 30-second notes. But before we get started, click the link in the description below. That'll get you your free PDF of the sheet music, and make sure you subscribe here. All right, so let's get into it. The only thing I can think of calling this fill is the 12-12-8 fill, because we have one group of notes that's 12 notes, and then we're going to play that twice, followed by a group of eighth notes, bringing us to 30-second notes. All right, so that first group of 12 notes is going to be right, left, left, kick, right, left, right, left, right, left, left, kick. First, let's just work on the first 6 notes. It's going to be right, left, left, kick, right, left. All right, then our second group of 6 notes is going to be right, left, left, kick. Bringing the whole group of 12 notes to this. All right, I'm going to play that a couple times through for you. Okay, so that's your grouping of 12 notes played twice, giving you 24 notes, and I'm going to play that a little bit faster for you. All right, now bringing us to our last grouping of 8 notes, it's going to be right, left, kick, kick, right, left, left. So the first 2 strokes are on your snare, then you've got 2 strokes on your bass drum, and you've got 4 strokes on your floor tom. Right, left, giving you this. All right, so now the whole thing is going to be 30-second notes, meaning we can count that as 1E into 1E into 2E into 2E into 3E into 3E into 4E into 4E into. Or you can count a group of 16th notes fast twice, 1E into 2E into 3E into 4E into 1E into 2E into 3E into 4E into. But that's going to give you a halftime feel, meaning that that backbeat on the snare is happening on beat 3 instead of 2 and 4. This isn't a modulation lesson, but let's just keep it as 30-second notes for now. So count it 1E into 1E into 2E into 2E into 3E into 3E into 4E into 4E into. Here we go. All right, a little bit faster. Okay, so this does start to sound a little bit better once you play it at faster tempos. What I'm going to do now is play just a measure of a groove and a measure of that fill. Just kind of go A, B, back and forth so you can hear how that sounds. Remember, I'm playing them as 30-second notes, so let's check it out. All right, and let's check that out even faster. All right, guys, so there you have it, the 12-12-8 fill, or just a linear pattern of 30-second notes. So make sure you download the sheet music, click the link in the description below. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you guys later.